Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use the default templates which are created from the PageFly Page Builder app to your online store. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So like I said, I'm using PageFly Page Builder app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. This is easily available though. You can just simply search for the app from the search field and you can see their installation page like this. This may contain some overviews and some key points of this particular app. And they provide some pricing plan also. And you can see the free plan. So I recommend you to start with the free plan so that you can just explore more. And if this fits for your online store, you can just upgrade to their paid plans. And there are some reviews from different merchants also available here. So just go through this, and if everything fits to your store, you can hit on install button. Please note that you have to be logged into your Shopify admin panel before that. So once installed, you can see the app here in this app section in the left hand side of your dashboard. Now click on PageFly Page Builder app to expand its dashboard. Now you can see the pages. Since we are creating a product page from the template, so just choose the product page. Now you can see some default product page details or templates over here. So there are many designs and themes available over here, and you can choose any. So you can just click on preview and view the image in detail or the template in detail, so you can have a look on this and you can just go to select this. Now will be automatically added to your editor page. Now you can customize each elements. Let's say if you want to change this element, just click on this element and you can change the settings over here. There are styling options also available over here. You can change the styling and also the font size or video size, everything. And you can just click on this. So this is an image. You can just click on change and you can select the image from your collection and you can save it. You can see the changed image here. And if you want to change this content, you can just change each contents in this text area, and you can have these much options to style the fonts. And you can just have the visibility conditions also, whether it should be hidden on desktop, laptop, tablet, or mobile. And all these are the image elements. You can change it, or you can, if you want to remove this, you can just click on delete button. Then the element will be automatically removed. See, this is very simple. You can just either remove or add or customize or edit any each element from this editor page. Now you can just click on save and you can just give a proper name for your page title. So after saving this, you can publish it. And if you want to select the products to which this product page to be applied, you can select the page. Let's see, like I'm just clicking the first option, the first product, and I'm selecting and I'm just publishing it. So now the page has been published to the selected product. Now let's see how this looks like. So I'm just opening this product which we have selected already. Now you can see that the product page is showing the one which we have selected as the template. So that's how you can create or how you can use the default template which are available from the PageFly Page Builder app directly into your Shopify online store by customizing each element or removing any. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.